well, we came here to have, and that's what we decided to do. So our goal. Sorry. We came here to hack, and that's what we decided to do. So our goal was to explore what was possible using Dart to create web apps for Glass. We want to stay away from any side-loaded apps. We went straight with the Mirror API. Our concept was to develop a game for Frogger that runs on Glass just using Dart and HTML5, and we nailed it. Anybody wants to play this game can go right now to www.GlassFrogger.com, and you can play the game right now. It'll load right up, and you can go ahead and have some fun. And it's a lot of fun, I'll tell you that. Solution involved Dart editor, Mirror API, HTML5, and GitHub, because we really need to collaborate. We had 5 guys doing 5 different things, and it took a lot of work. Judging criteria, we were wondering if it was a new concept. Absolutely. We put together our application with Breaking Glass and Dart editor, and HTML5 in a manner that only a few other people have done so far. It's built during Hackathon. Absolutely. We didn't even know about this thing 2 days ago. Put it all together right here. Is it deployable? Yep. Go to GlassFrogger right now, GlassFrogger, and have some fun. The potential business is absolutely huge. Games on Glass are going to be just massive. If they take advantage of not having to use your hands, these kind of games are going to do a lot of times replacing Android games. And does it entice the public for Glass use? Absolutely. It's fun, it's exciting, and it's really engaging. So it's going to be a lot of good. Solutions, we use Dart and the Dart editor. It provides a mechanism for immediate refresh cycles. We don't have to go through the old standard process of like just doing a compiling and a commit and sending up and an uploading. Is with Dart, you go right away. So we're going to go ahead and have a little fun with this. This is like an opportunity to kind of see how it plays.
So you physically jump. Put the mic on him. So you physically jump to move your frog forward. Try not to jump too much.
Go.
There's also a score in the top left.
Come on, baby. Go, Froggy.
You don't have to be tethered, by the way. If you go to GlassFrogger.com and click on it, it will send the application to your Glass device right now, fully deployed. Please,
Trying to show us the website?
Sure.
One other thing is we did this all on GitHub. We really believe that's a really incredible new medium for everybody collaborating. So it's we put a lot of work into this. It's been an incredible journey. It's fun. It's energizing. We believe that Google Glass is going to take the lead with a lot of gaming in the future, and we think that by being able to do this with HTML5 and Dart, we can do this without having to sideload apps. We can do it straight natively with Mirror API. And we think that's incredibly resourceful. It doesn't draw upon sideloaded apps. We can just handle it just directly from Mirror API.
If anyone's interested in seeing it, please visit the GitHub and any ideas of hacking. Our core concept is we don't want to have to, the last thing we want to do is have to compile code. We want to edit, refresh, see our changes, and that's our main goal with the Google Glass is quick edit, refresh cycles for development and deployment. Thank you.
That's how you win a hackathon.
And we got the website. We had a lot of issues. We put up wireless networks. We really ran through the gamut to just get this solution solved. So we took a real holistic approach and got real creative because that's what it took multiple times.
That's pretty cool. So how are you, what kind of sensor data are you able to get off of, and how hard is it to learn to program against?
So we use the accelerometer, and we're looking for a minimum threshold before it counts as a jump. We looked at other things like maybe doing a swipe, but the problem is like if you do the scroll swipe, if it gets too close to the border, it kind of of the scrolling, it gets kind of funky and can throw you off, and so you can't necessarily see the car coming, which made the game much more challenging. But it was mostly just kind of like head bangs and jumping and ice packs for nets.
Yeah. No, the parents will love this. Get some kids off the couch.
Make some jump, right?
Now you got to intend something like Ingress, and now you got.
I don't know if we said though, it is cross-platform as well. Since it's HTML5, it works on desktop, mobile device by shaking your phone to be a jump, as well as Glass.
Chrome. Yeah, desktop.
On desktop, it's actually using the spacebar, I believe.
Are there any other sort of applications that you guys thought of, or was jumping?
So jumping is one my wife came up with as far as the fitness type app we use. But I'm sure there's a lot of other, like Mario jumping over barrels, or whatever, some kind of time, requires time.
Oh yeah, exactly.
It gets you moving. A lot of times you just need to get up and have a little bit of activity. So we see a lot of fitness applications that may have this kind of ability to be integrated in. And again, just no side loading, just straight natively from Dart.
Our monetization model is pay per hop. As much as you hop, as much as you pay. A lot of this was a discovery phase for us because we really want to see what could we exploit without having to write a native application, and how can we reuse our code, right? We can write this once and we can deploy it anywhere, which is, the holy grail of software development.
So I actually I quit my job and started working full-time on building fitness software for Glass, and came out with a proof of concept a few weeks back, but hopefully I'd love to see you guys work.
We want to get with you.
It's all on GitHub. Please go to GitHub. Follow the fork,
Very interesting.
steal whatever, don't care.
Especially getting, like you said, getting kids up and down, and doing some stuff.
Well, like you said, the reusability of all this stuff, as you figure out how to fire sensor or how to use sensor data to use stuff, you can use that in a lot.
We have some compass ideas and other things brewing, but the idea is with fitness is you got to have fun. And so the idea is to make things fun and then people enjoy it. So that was part of the fun.
So the issues to file against the issue tracker for Google Glass is this runs Android 404, or whatever build version that is on the user agent, and we can only go so far as what that browser supports. So Google, please integrate Google Chrome into Google Glass, and you'll have a lot of happy users.
Great, thank you.